Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my new Hobonichi Weeks kits that will be released on April 15 Manila time or Philippine time. So let's get started with the first kit. The first kit is called Vance Cat, and if you've been watching my videos, you know that I love cats so much. I just released a cat kit last release. So that was 2 weeks ago. But I figured that it's okay to release cats again because this color scheme is completely different from the other cat kit. The other cat kit is called Cat Lady, and I think Perfect Date is also a Hobonichi Weeks. So that is why I decided to come out with this kit in Hobonichi Weeks, because it's an alternative for people who do not like pastel but love cats just as much as I do. So I think the main feature of this kit is this bottom box, right bottom box, because it is just stunning. I love it so much. It's super cute. But I think all the cats here are cute. So that is the Vance Cat kit for Hobonichi Weeks. The next kit I'm going to show you is following a single style. Like everything is in a single art style, and that is watercolor or painted like acrylic paint. And this is the Fairy Garden Hobonichi Weeks kit. Now, this kit was really popular because a lot of people who are into fairies picked this up when it was just in a horizontal version. That's why I thought that all you fairy lovers, it's time to get your weeks into gear. And that is called the Fairy Garden kit. The next kit I'm going to show you, this is Carnivale. She has a now Hobonichi Weeks version, but she was a horizontal kit before. There should be an ECLP kit for her as well. Now I love the background of this. It just made everything about this kit. Basically, you're buying this for the background because the background is stunning. The colors are so beautiful. Like it's not marble, I feel like. Like it's very abstract, but at the same time, it's really cheerful. And of course, it's a backdrop of a carnival or a theme park. She has hot pink script and borders. There we go. So that is Carnivale. The next kit I'm going to show you is top 5 of all the kits we've ever sold. And this is the stunning Unicorn Girl. Oh my gosh, you guys, I know some of you have been wondering if Unicorn Girl will come out as Hobonichi Weeks. She has. The wait is over. She's one of the best kits I've ever done, and I am so happy that I've decided to put her as a Hobonichi Weeks kit. Again, I have to mention these are my oops kits because these are test prints just to see if the color is right, because the screen and the print would have different colors sometimes. By sometimes I mean all the time. That's why it has Carnivale here. She's not Carnivale. She's Unicorn Girl. I'm sorry for that, but I didn't want to reprint her just for the wrong text. When you buy her, she won't have Carnivale on here, I promise. So that is Unicorn Girls. The next 2 kits I'm going to show you are new. They have not been a horizontal kit or a vertical kit or ECLP or Mammy Happy Planner ever. So these are completely new, and they only exist as Hobonichi sticker kits for now. The first one is for the shabby-chic lovers, and she is Rosie. I think the name is completely appropriate because of all the roses. She was going to be a horizontal kit, but I couldn't work out how to make her as pretty as this. So I decided to junk that, and when I was going through my files, I saw that I've compiled the clip art for Rosie with the name Rosie. So she was like on her way to be a horizontal kit, but it just didn't happen. So now I'm so glad that I found my files for her, and now she is a kit, a shabby chic kit, and she is stunning. Her colors, if you love pink, you will love this. If you love florals, roses, pink roses, you would love this so much. And that is Rosie. The next kit I'm going to show you is something very, very different from a shabby chic kit. In fact, the next kit has no flowers and is completely monochrome. This is called Planner Chic. Planner Chic is stunning. I mean, I know I am a florals girl, I'm a watercolor girl, very artsy girl, pastels are my jam, but she still speaks to me. At least when I was designing her, when I saw her printed out and cut, I loved her so much. Okay, so you get lashes. You've got dots to mimic what is in the full box, and you also get hearts. So the color scheme is black, white with a nudie peach. So very neutral. If you don't enjoy the kind of color schemes that I like, maybe you'd like this one. I like this one too, but you know, I'm leaning towards a lot of pastels, and I know that some people are not into hardcore pastels just like me. So I decided to come up with another color scheme for you to choose from. So I've noticed that a lot of my kits are all really pastels. I do nothing but pastels, except for her. I got inspired because I saw in one of the comments when I posted in in a Facebook group, a Hobonichi one, and someone asked if I was going to do any geometric ones. I am working towards getting a kit that is completely geometric, but I wanted to do baby steps towards that goal. And that's why I came out with Planner Chic, which is very monochrome, very chic, with pops of hearts. And I think that is the key here. So that is Planner Chic. So those are all of the current new releases for Hobonichi weeks. I will come out with 2 Hobonichi cousin. One of them would be Planner Chic. She's already done. I've teased a sneak peek of her as a Hobonichi Weeks kit in my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, it is paperjoyph. All of my new kits, all of my discounts or discount codes, all of that jazz will be in my Instagram. So if you want to be updated with what's going on in the shop, go ahead and give us a follow. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you like more planning videos about Hobonichi, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the bell notification button to make sure that you are updated with the videos that I am posting in this channel. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember that this is coming out on the 15th of April, Manila time or Philippines time. So thanks so much once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!